Okay, you're very much welcome to this presentation. My name is Simon Appeal. Our topic is Carbonate Mineralogy, and I'm from Makerere University, Kampala. Be blessed as we go through this. Sponsored by Oil Pool UG. Carbonate definition. A carbonate is any compound that is soluble in dilute hydrochloric acid to emit carbon dioxide gas. Equation: we have, for example, M carbonate. When you react it with hydrochloric acid, it dissolves to give us a salt, water, and carbon dioxide, usually seen as bubbles emitted from the solution. Types of carbonate minerals. The following are the common carbonate minerals. 1. We have calcite. 2. We have aragonite. Then 3. We have siderite. Then we have dolomite. Then our first mineral is calcite. Calcite is a common name for the carbonate calcium carbonate. It is a colorless or white mineral in the field. Usually in the field it is colorless or white, similar to quartz. It has a hardness of 3 on the mole scale and softer compared to quartz. So that is how you can differentiate between calcite and quartz in the field. Calcite is softer than quartz. And also you'll also realize that quartz is rich in silica, which is insoluble in dilute hydrochloric acid compared to calcite. Biogenically, it is formed from skeletal materials of organisms. Magnesium can substitute calcium in the calcite crystal, that is forming either high magnesium or low magnesium calcite in nature. So, high magnesium calcite is found in skeletal materials of organisms such as echinoderms and barnacles. Then we have aragonite. Aragonite is chemically similar to calcite, but the two instead have a structural difference. So they are all calcium carbonate minerals, but the difference is in the arrangement of the different elements in the crystal lattices. That is structural difference. So calcite has a trigonal crystal form, while aragonite has an orthorhombic crystal form. Aragonite is denser and harder than calcite. As we know, the trigonal crystal form is far much less dense compared with the orthorhombic crystal form of aragonite. So the orthorhombic crystal form of aragonite gives it a much more denser form and even makes it harder than calcite in nature. That is the only structural difference. Most organisms like bivalves use aragonite to build their structural parts. Then the other carbonate is siderite. Siderite is chemically iron carbonate and is structurally similar to calcite. It is harder to distinguish between iron and calcium carbonates on mineralogical grounds in the field, since they are all similar in reaction and even appearance in the field. It rarely exists as a pure mineral, as magnesium or manganese substitutes iron in the crystal lattice. So because of that substitution, it cannot be pure, because magnesium can substitute iron in the crystal lattice of siderite. It is formed as an early diagenetic mineral, so formed at diagenesis, at the stage of burial. So the last mineral we are looking at here is dolomite. Dolomite is a mineral formed when magnesium substitutes calcium in calcite crystal lattice to form calcium magnesium carbonate. Therefore, in simple terms, dolomite is calcium magnesium carbonate. The rock formed is also known as dolomite. So the mineral, it is rare here whereby the mineral name itself is the rock name, although many scientists tend to distinguish it by using the name dolostone. Dolomite can be differentiated from calcite due to its little or no reaction with dilute hydrochloric acid. So thank you for your attention, and please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell notification button. And this presentation was got from this reference, Sedimentology and Stratigraphy by Gary Nichols, a trusted book. So as usual, I've already told you before, you know what to do. Thank you so much.